What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today's episode, I'm gonna finally be able to finish the intercooler piping. Pretty excited about this one because that means the whole cold side will be complete. So like the previous episode where I merged 4 pipes into one, I'm gonna do the same thing here. The main difference is though, on the cold side, flow will matter. So that means all my white pipes, all my transition needs to be on point. So as I'm planning this out, there's a couple things that I noticed. This bracket and also that bracket has to go. Now it doesn't look like it's very hard to remove, so I'm just gonna have to take those off or drill them out on both sides, and that should come right out. As far as transition, my plans is to kind of go out this way and then meet into a single Y pipe, bring those out to a single Y pipe, and then run across, then bring those two into a single 3-inch. One thing to note, when I made the 3-inch on this side, I actually forgot the blow off valve, so glad I remembered that last minute, and there seemed to be a perfect spot right here. Alright, so I went ahead and trimmed the coupler for the 90. Put that down real quick. Alright, because it was a lot longer, it was like right here. And all I'm gonna do here is make it merge somewhere over here. Okay, so we're gonna make the pipe for that. And on this side, I'm gonna do the same thing. Make the pipe right here. And that's gonna be a crossover somewhere over here, and do something else from there. I finished the driver's side merge. As you guys can see, I tried everything I can to make it flow as smoothly as possible, and that's basically as straight as I can get it. If you guys look inside, it's pretty smooth as well. So that's my kind of attempt at trying to, create something that flows well. At this point, this is pretty much complete. The only thing left to do is run a bead all the way around because this is going to be connected to a coupler. So here's the driver's side mounted. This one looks really good. So both of that merged into right here, and this one is actually a straight shot into the 3-inch piping, which is perfect right there. Here's the passenger side, Y pipe right there, and it goes to a 90. That's gonna come out right over here. It's gonna be a little bit of a hard turn, but I'll make a 90 here, and then another 90 to go all the way across. So for those two, I'm using steel and steel on the Y because I actually didn't want to buy another, 1 7/8 in aluminum. That's just too much piping, spending, and whatnot. Now the rest of the piping, that one that goes all the way across, that's going to be aluminum. Alright guys, here it is, pretty much done. Well, tack welded, and then I just have to weld it. But for the most part, this is the shape of the intercooler side already, straight from the turbo to the intercooler. Okay, so this side is going to be the Y pipe for the turbo on the driver's side. That's going to be the Y for the passenger side. And if you guys looked here, I did a little bit of a U just to give it a little bit smoother transition instead of going straight this way and then kind of making a 90 of this bend right here. Clearance wise, I'm gonna go put it on because I'm really happy and excited to show you guys how tight this thing was and how well it worked. Alright guys, here it is from the passenger side. Check that out. Nice and tight clearance right there, but it doesn't hit the intercooler or the oil pan, which is great. And now on the driver's side, pretty much the same thing. So you guys can see that U bend right there. Really nice all the way around. It kind of makes like that loop around the oil pan. Alright guys, so that is it for the intercooler piping. It's all done. The only thing left to do is add a blow-off valve there, or possibly on this piping down here, or maybe both. Not sure yet. Now as far as the next episode is concerned, sorry guys, but I'm gonna leave you guys here in suspense because I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do next. I'm kind of thinking I could either do the power steering, finish that up a little bit, or maybe I need to work on the AC, or maybe I need to actually work on the water pump stuff, or maybe it's time to do the fuel injection stuff here. Not really sure. Now with that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.